Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today we're going to be embellishing the front of this canvas bag. I wanted a fabric canvas bag for the summertime, and I wanted it to be big. Usually that's what I tend to purchase. I wanted to show you the color options in case you guys want to check out the website. It is from Aqua and it is exclusively sold to Bloomingdale's, so you can't find it anywhere. They have it in beige. You could see the inside there. It's stuffed right now, so I'm not going to show you guys. And they have it with a chain there. You could see that here. I got it in the gray, but they also have it in a beige. And it has a chain on the front and back. It has a front pocket, which I put a book in. But I chose to get the gray because that's what I wanted. But you could see the gray and the beige. I have added a hardcover book so that I can apply pressure to the embellishments when I am setting. I'm going to show you the loot for today. Okay guys, so I bought about 12 strands. These are multicolor, so they have a mirrored effect on the back, and the front part has a smoked quartz type of color. Now the smoked quartz is very beautiful, and I'm going to be putting them right side up and the mirrored side. So I'll be alternating down the row, and this bag is perfect for it because it's quilted. And I bought about 12 of these, and they're about $2.75 a piece. So that's about $33 there. And then I also bought 3 strands of these at $2.75, and you get 10 per strand, and I'll show you what I'll be doing with these as well. So less than 40 bucks. Okay guys, so make sure when you come home, you wipe them down with water and soap so that they are clean. Hundreds of people touch these stones. For this project, you're going to need your pointed nozzle E6000 in clear. Posting all the links below for your convenience. Wear a mask and work in a ventilated area. This glue is highly toxic. Okay guys, for bag dimensions, because I forgot to mention that, 18.5 in width, we have 7 inches in depth, so it's very spacious, and 12 inches in height. With the handles here, they are, I think, faux leather, or they may be leather, I'm not sure, but they are beautiful. 3.5 inches in handle drop, and then the strap is 14 inches. The strap has the front strap and then the back hanging chain there. And the only part of the bag that's quilted is the front flap. So that is why we're embellishing it. So you're going to alternate sides. The quartz side, then the mirrored side. And when you apply glue, this glue is rather thick, so the fabric doesn't absorb it quickly at all. You're going to lay down one line of glue and then a second line of glue. This bag will be delicate, so be careful not to bang it around. For those that are on the edge, make sure you tape them down. Okay guys, for this part where we're measuring the chain length for the actual middle sections here, you're going to just basically measure the length, stack them side by side, hold the long chain next to it, see how many you need or how long it needs to be, and cut, and keep doing that until you have at least 30 something of them, because this part is a real pain. So if you want to avoid it, please do so. Squeeze a little bit of glue for this part. Actually, this is much easier than the lunchbox purse. I'm going to post a link below if you haven't seen that video, but that one made me reevaluate my whole life of design. The reason I'm doing this is so that you can see the quilted effect. To straighten them, guys, just kind of put tweezer ends to them, just like that, and it'll straighten the line if it's a bit off. Okay guys,
100 hours later, just let it dry overnight.
Okay guys, so this is the finished bag. You can see how beautiful and sparkly it is. I'm going to be showing you what it looks like in the sunlight. Today is my birthday and I'm going to be using this as my birthday bag. I did order a rhinestone teddy bear that has the same combination of stones. So it's a leather teddy bear and it has all rhinestones, dark rhinestones, and I'm going to hang it here. I'm also going to be hanging a black bandana from this side. I love black bandanas, especially when you have like a gray handbag. It just really pops. I like the hard edge. So let me show you the inside real quick. I did add a bag shaper. I'm not sure what these are really called, but they add structure to a bag, although this is already structured. But you have compartments there that you can add, and it kind of just keeps the shape of the bag. So that is the middle. The back is just a plain canvas. And you can see it has the chain on the back and the chain on the front. I can't wait till I get the teddy bear. Now, this is the full look, so if you like it, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.